In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen in Canva. If you have a video with a green background and you want to isolate the subject so it blends cleanly into your design, Canva makes the process very simple. This is especially useful for presentations, social media videos, tutorials, and any project where you want your footage to look more polished without using complicated editing software. To get started, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project where you want to use the green screen clip so you can preview the result in the exact layout you're working with. This helps you immediately see how the subject will look once the background is removed. Next, select the green screen video on your canvas. Click directly on the video so Canva knows which element you want to edit. This is an important step because the editing options in Canva change depending on what you have selected. If the video isn't selected, you may not see the tools you need. Once the video is selected, go to the top toolbar and click Edit. This will open the editing options for that video. Take a moment to look over the panel that appears, because this is where Canva groups its visual editing features. In the left side pane, find and select Background Remover. This is the tool Canva uses to separate the main subject from the background. Even though your video has a green screen, the process is handled through this feature, so you don't need to manually erase anything yourself. Canva will analyze the clip and do the heavy lifting for you. After you click Background Remover, you should see a progress indicator. At this stage, just wait for it to finish. Depending on your video and internet speed, this may take a few moments. It's best not to click around too much while Canva is processing, so the removal can complete smoothly. Once the processing is done, the green screen should be removed, leaving your subject separated from the background. And that's it. As a quick tip, after the background is removed, preview your design to make sure everything looks clean and natural. If needed, you can resize or reposition the video on your canvas so it fits better with the rest of your design. With just a few clicks, you can turn a basic green screen clip into something much more professional right inside Canva.